Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So first you need to make a daisy. And the daisy looks like this, with yellow in the middle and then kind of like a white cross, but just yellow in the middle. And you need all of these all the bits with the white for the edges need to be matching with the centerpieces, like this. But it doesn't, if you don't have all of them solved, just move them to the right centerpieces. Then you turn the white faces upside down to make a white cross. And the white cross looks like this. Now you need to do the centerpieces. So if you have like white with orange and green, move the orange and green, move that piece to orange and green. So you do the right face up, you do the top flick 2 times, then you do the right face down, then do the right top face left. Then you just do the right face up, then you do the you do the top face left. Then you put the right face down. Then the piece is solved. Because orange, green. And you keep doing that until, so for like this is like here. So we turn it to the right. Then we do left face up, top that right, and do the left face down, and that piece is solved. So if you have one that's like flipped, like in the right place, or flipped the wrong way around, do the right, then just do right face up, turn to the right, right face down, and top to the right. Then you just do the same thing again. Then that piece is solved. And if it's on the right, side, just do the right face up, top face to the left, right face down. Then you should have a full white square, and all of these and all of the pieces here will be solved. So now it's doing like the pieces that you did for the white cross. So like, for example, if you have blue and orange, put it by blue and orange, and if this bit is orange, you put it by the orange. If it's blue, you put it by the blue. So you push it away, then you just do left side up, top to right, left face down, top left. Then you do the same but just on the right hand. And that piece is solved. Then you just keep doing that until all the pieces are solved. So like red, green, push it away. So you should have white dot, then you just do the left algorithm. Then that piece is solved. So you get the orange piece, push it away, right face up, top, right, left face down, top face left. And you just do the same thing but on the right. So if you have so when you do that for all of the pieces, it will look like this. So now solving the yellow cross. So you do the face you are on, right face up, then do the right face up, top face left, right face down, top face right, and just do this. So you should have a line, and you put that line back down to its home. Then you should have a L shape. Then you do that until you have a yellow cross. So when you have a yellow cross, you'll need to fix the centerpieces. Mine's already solved, but I'm gonna just do it from any way. So do the right face up, do the top face right, right face down, top face right again. Then I'll do the top face up, right face up, top face left, then do it left again for top face, do the line down. And you should have all of the pieces solved. And you keep doing that until your centerpieces are solved. Like this. Now going on to the corners. So now we're going to go on to solving the corners. So if you have one that's solved already, just do this algorithm from the solved piece. So this is a new algorithm. You do the top face left, right face up, top face right, left face up, top face left, right face down. Then you do the top face right, then left face down. So you should have, and when they're all solved, when they're all in the right place, turn your cube upside down so the white is facing the top. Then you just do the right face up, top face right, left. Right face down and top face left. Keep doing that. I know this might look scrambled, but just know your piece is in the right place. So you don't want to turn to the piece, you want to turn the bottom. Then you just do that again. Then your cube is solved. So it should look like whole white face, whole orange face, whole green face, whole red face, whole blue face, and whole yellow face. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.